Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the CrossBeats Ace Metal smartwatch. You can see the Ace logo written right over here, and this is the CrossBeats logo on the side. It's written over here, "Wear the future." This box has a nice texture on it as well. There are some details on this side. You can see what the watch looks like. It has a circular frame. We will obviously take a closer look. And there's some features mentioned over here as well, like the remote shutter capture, music control, notification alerts, 3D hologram screen, heart rate monitor, multi-sport modes, a pedometer, IP68 rating protection, and 60 hours of standby time. That's more or less all the information we have on the box. Let's open it up and take a closer look at the smartwatch. So this is what you get inside the box. This is a thank you note from, this is a thank you note basically from CrossBeats. To leave this here. This is a step-by-step setup guide for this particular smartwatch. And this is of course the smartwatch itself. Let's take this out and quickly take out the other stuff in the box as well. This is of course a user manual for this particular smartwatch. You should read it at least once. This is a charging dock and along with a charging cable for this particular smartwatch. And this is of course the CrossBeats Ace Metal smartwatch. I'm going to remove this sticker. There you can see it has a pretty large circular display. This is a 1.3-inch IPS full touch circular display. It also comes with tough, has metallic chassis. You can see this is all metallic right over here. I mean carbon metal texture, and you can see the texture. It has a very nice design to it. There's a rugged design to it as well. The straps has this dual color scheme which makes it look very cool, and it is solid and rugged, no doubt. The dial, as mentioned above, 1.3-inch display. It's not a very large dial, but a pretty large dial, on the larger side. Definitely. I'm going to turn this on and see if this works. This is what the watch face looks like, the default watch face. Okay, I can swipe right to get all these options. There's a brightness meter over here as well. Let's increase the brightness just a bit so that you can see. There you go, you can see it now. And let's go back to the previous menu. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the CrossBeats Ace Metal smartwatch. Thank you for watching.